Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Guess what we're using? The Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go right in. Okay, so I'm going in with the third shade in on the top row. It's called Silk Cream. And what I'm doing is I'm taking it with, I believe that's my E40 brush. It's a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just kind of building up the color. I really wasn't sure how pigmented this color would be, so I went in with a light hand. And as you can see, I just continued to like build it up with windshield wiper motions and circular motions. I'm going to speed the rest of this up so you're not here for 10 hours watching me blend my eyeshadow. So now that I've had that base transition colored laid down, I'm going in with the second shade in on the second row, which is called Butter. And I'm taking, it looks like an E25 brush, and I'm just using those same windshield wiper and circular motions to apply this to both eyes. So now I go in with the fourth shade, on the third row called Roxanne. And I'm just gonna repeat what I did with that first crease shadow, blending it. And then what I do is I go in with this dark brown color called Central Park. What I'm doing is gradually deepening up the crease to prepare for that deep green shade. Okay, so now we're gonna have some fun. That deep green shade is on the last row, fourth one in from the left. It's called Enchanted. And I'm not used to working with this deep of color, so this is definitely something that I'm gonna need to practice with. But I kind of just went in with the green, blended it out with the crease colors or with a brush with no color on it, just to kind of diffuse it and make sure it was all blended together really well. So as far as the tools I'm using, I'm just using different sizes blending brushes depending on which color. The more tapered the brush, the deeper the color was. So that's a Sigma E38 that I'm using. And when you're using dark colors, it's really easy to get them everywhere and you actually notice. So I might suggest doing your eyes first when you're using this deep of a color. So now at this point I was looking a little bare on the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color Silk Cream, which is the first transition color I used, and put that down on the lower lash line and kind of blend it on the outer 2/3 of the eye. And then I'm going to go in with that shade Pukey, and I'm going to blend that in as well. And you know, guys, when I was editing this video, what really bothered me at this point is I have like a lint or a hair in my left eyebrow, and it's just like bothering me that it's there. But now we're gonna get into the fun part. We're gonna go into the lid color, and I use the shade Diva. That's that beautiful teal shimmery shade, and I kind of did almost like a halo eye effect. So I was feeling things looked a little very dark and heavy, so I wanted to do an inner corner highlight. I believe I went in with the first shade in the palette called Enlight, because the second one, Beam, is more of a champagne-y color. So what I just did is I used a small, almost like a shader brush that you'd use on your lid to put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone, always with the additional blending. So here I'm just going in with my Sweetie Pie bronzer from Too Faced, bronzing up my cheeks and the perimeter of my face. For the best part, the glow. So I'm just using, as normal, my Smashbox Spotlight palette in Pearl, and I'm using that first shade everywhere. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I did this look on my eyes, super bold and kind of out of my normal realm, or comfort zone, I guess you'd say. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I immediately loved that deep hunter green matte and the shimmer that's on the middle of my lid. And so I just decided to go for it today. Yeah, so my cute little top knot. But yeah, so this is going to be a voiceover because I really just wanted to like have music on, really just kind of enjoy that kind of like artistic vibes of actually doing the makeup, and I think it came out pretty good. I think I probably should have had the shadow go up more instead of like down, because it does kind of make my eyes look a little bit sad. And I also wish that I knew how to put on false lashes, because I just got a pair from Walgreens that is a collab with Nicole Guerrero, and they're beautiful and spiky and they would have been perfect, but I need to practice a lot. I have some wispies from Ardell that I'm going to practice with, yeah, so I can get better at it. But yeah, and on my lip today I used, I don't normally go for this nude of a nude. This is the Melted Matte Melted Ice Cream from the I Want Candy collection, and I used NYX lip liner in beige. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Obviously with this dramatic of an eye, I could not wear, I mean, maybe I could wear red lipstick, but it's just kind of like a lot going on at once. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!